Okay, family. So before we get into the charts and everything else, I got a big announcement. In about a week or two, there is going to be the release of all of my MT5 indicators, trading systems, so forth. They're going to come in a bundle for you guys. I'm going to do a deal that I've never done before just to make sure it's extremely affordable for everybody. And here's the beautiful part about it. You will not have to get one at a time. You're going to have access to all of my trading systems at the exact same time. So that includes Simplicity Scanner. That's going to include the Ocean Wave Scanner. It's going to include the Sexy Analyst and all the scanners that is with that one. It's going to include the Daily Dot, and it's going to include the Too Easy system. And in addition to that, any other future trading systems, which I'm working on one now, I'm trying to work out the statistics on it. Any future trading systems that I create, that will automatically be included for one simple basic price. So I'll tell you more details about it coming soon, but this is strictly for the MT5 indicator. I know a lot of the brokers are moving to the MT5, and I want you guys to have access to all of the trading systems this time, so that instead of you buying one at a time, I'm going to make it extremely affordable so that you can have access to all of them at the exact same time, and you can pick and choose which one you want to use. Because as you guys know, I play in between them when it's in the beginning of the week. I like to trend trade because that's the way the market moves. It follows the trend. Reversals does not take place until later on, midweek or sometime towards the tail end of the week. So therefore, you have to be adaptable. And therefore, giving you access to all of the trading systems at the exact same time means that you have access. And now you can use all this trading system however you see fit at the beginning of the week. Use this one the way you want at the end of the week, and you don't have to pick and choose which one can I afford. I'm going to make sure it's affordable for everyone. And I'm going to have a grand opening special for the first 100 people who react. So you're going to save even more money. But again, I'll talk to you guys about that more when everything is close to being finished. The website is being developed and all that kind of stuff, but the indicators are ready to go. So I'm excited for you guys so that we don't have to keep dealing with this MT4 situation. We can move on into the MT5 and keep this party moving. Okay, now let's move forward with what's going on for this coming week. Alrighty then, guys. This week, as far as news, and I'll show you this right here, I didn't see much news coming up this week other than CPI numbers and PPI. So that's the main ones that I'm seeing starting on Tuesday with AUD. The euro is coming out with the CPI numbers, and USD is coming out with their PPI numbers. By the way, if you want to get copied on our trades, please go to supereasycopycat.com, supereasycopycat.com, and you can be copied on our trades. And if you want to see how the copier works, of course, it's right here where you'll see us taking trades on this account. It'll pop up on yours. When we close out here, it'll close out here. All right. So let's click on the join button, and we have different packages in there. So that is that. Okay. All right. Now, if you want to get my personal trading alerts or trade live with Miss Jenny during the New York session, then you want to go here to Futrix.com, Futtrix.com. And if you want my personal alerts, then you want to click right here, and you'll be given access to my personal Telegram channel where I send out my personal alerts when I'm taking futures trades. And these are just head up trades. You trade your own account because, again, you know, I don't have access to your account, but I'm just telling you what trades I'm taking. I'll tell you where I'm putting my stop loss. I'll tell you where I'm taking my take profits. And more importantly, because a lot of times I don't hold my trades long distance, because if you're using prop firms, they want you to, number one, either you're allowed to make a certain amount a day for consistency rules, or number two, you have to close the trades out by the end of business day anyway. So yes, for those who are doing the cash account, then yes, I'll tell you, hey, this is where a good take profit and stop loss is. But, you know, those will be in place. But if I choose to take profits early, then I'll say, hey, guys, I think I'm taking profits right here. And I'm going to, you know, I'll cut out. You know, I'm just going to take my money and run. That's what I'll tell you. So that's how that works. Okay. Now, trading live with Miss Jenny, one of the genius scalpers and traders in the world, especially during the New York session, is right here. So again, if you want to get trades from Dr. Elvis, who's a trading genius, so if you want that, you can do that. And also, by the way, you get copied on, especially on the Forex side, myself, Dr. Elvis, and Miss Jenny are all taking trades, so you'll get copied on all three, or you can pick and choose whichever one you want to follow. That's the way that works, okay? All right, enough of that stuff. Now, let's get on back to what's important to us. Let's get to these charts here. All right, so here's where the problem comes in, guys. I'm going to tell you what I'm seeing, but at the same time, it's important for you to realize that this is the weekend, and oftentimes there is weekend gaps, okay? Also, the Supreme Court has struck down the situation where Trump can use his tariff power unlimited, even though he's kind of like, man, kiss my behind. I'm going to do what I want to do. You know, that's Trumpeteer. So that's that. So I knew something was holding up the markets last week, so that came out, all right? So he came back and said, since you want to do it like that, I'm going to raise 5% tariffs across the globe. Okay, so that just was announced. So we'll see how that's going. Also, there's a possible invasion into Iran or Iraq or one of those places again, just whatever. So it's crazy. So anyway, that's the global things that could impact the news that I'm hearing about. Okay, now, right here, especially for those who have my daily dot, all right, let's go over something that can be a game changer for you. It can be a game changer for you. So a lot of times we're looking for reversal trades, which is cool, you know, okay. So overall, the trend on here is in an upward direction, all right. We all can see trend is heading up, bounce right there, bing, bing. And we'll stop right there because if I draw another trend line, okay, watch this. If I draw another trend line, bing, bing, and I know it's not a perfect trend line. Don't worry about that. Don't start crying. That's how some people are. They're crying over the simplest thing. Shut up. All right, so those are two trend lines, all right? I'm drawing these for a particular purpose, all right? So a lot of you guys wanted access to the Daily Dot, which again is going to be available in the bundle package for you at a extremely cheap price. You guys are not even going to believe it, okay? You guys are going to love me. If you ever hated me, you're going to love me this time because I'm going to hook you guys up. I just want you guys to have access. That's the whole point. Having access to the right tools is amazing. So you're going to have like 5 or 6 trading systems for one dirt cheap price. So look forward to that and spread the word, okay? So long story short, a lot of times what we're looking for on reversals is when price action is bouncing off of the daily dot and off of these levels. We're looking to go long if it's in a, if it's in an uptrend, or we're looking to go, as soon as it hits here, which you see it worked, it hits the daily dot and you can short the market, even though the overall trend is still what? Bullish, right? Bullish. That's the key. Overall trend is still bullish. So overall, you can see it is in an uptrend, okay? Inside of here, same thing, okay? Came here, pop, pop, bang, bing, 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 came up. Hit that, bap, 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 bing, da, 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 bing, okay? But here's where a problem comes in. Oftentimes with strong trending pairs like AUD, NZD, they may go past the normal level, which you see right here. You clearly see it. So yes, does it work most of the time? Yeah, that's great. But here's another way you can also use the daily dot and other, and use this trending system, especially the simplicity where you get the trade alerts. What you do is you look at the higher time frame and just see, okay, what direction is the trend going? And what you do, instead of trying to chase these reversals here, what you could do is, since this is an uptrend, every time it pulls back right here, you want to jump to the 15-minute time frame and bing, look for an alert in that same direction and look at that cascade, pow, that thing shot on up. So that's one of the ways you can trade in the same exact direction as the trend, making the trend your friend, okay? So keeping that in mind, just something to think about, all right? So here we go again. Here we go. This is an uptrend. Let's see if we could have caught something. And there it was. Only taking the trades in the same direction as the trend. Same direction. Now, here's the deal. What you do is, the key is, it's not to take every arrow, it's to take the ones when you see price action is stalling out at these at the daily dot levels, okay? When it's stalling out at these daily dot levels, and it's an uptrend, okay, then there you go. Take those instead, all right? So let's do this. That's just another way to use the system. That's all I'm saying. Watch this, all right? So we're at this level now. Let's drop to the 15. And there it was. See? Bing, 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 bing. And you see that daily double? The daily dot right there is still showing up on that 15. Okay? Still saying, here it is on the 30. See, it's still there. So that's what you can do, is just take it in the same direction. See, bing. So what you're doing is you're just basically checking the higher time frame, seeing, okay, what direction is the higher time frame going in? And let me just trade and take alerts only in that direction only. Okay. So that's just another way of trading. And you can see this one's clearly in an uptrend. So therefore, any of these, boom, and there you go. It pulled back and then shot on off. So, you can do it from the 15. You can use the 30-minute, whatever, float your boat. But that's just another way of just trading with the trend. Okay. All right. So anyway, that's that. So anyway, going back to this is double topped here. Will it stop here? That's a good question. So that's why you want to wait for the alerts. Now, again, for me personally, I told you guys, I'm not really impressed with double tops on the Sunday and Monday because price action typically wants to continue in the trend. So that's why I have this system here, which is Ocean Wave, and I'll go to whatever time frame makes sense to me to say, hey, since I know the market is typically going to trend, is there a possibility of this thing breaking to the top? So if it is, I don't want to be in it. I'd rather just sit and wait. So therefore, look, for an example, what is this saying? Buy, 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 buy. This is still saying buy, 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 buy. So therefore, I'm going to wait it out. Okay. Or I can just avoid it and go to another pair. Is this a good reversal? Possibly. Okay. Possibly it is. Even on the daily. I like it on the daily too. But just knowing how the market operates, I'm kind of skeptical. So this is, again, where having the Simplicity scanner is going to come in handy, where you just sit on your hands and wait for an alert that says, okay, now it is time to sell. You don't just jump in it because it's touching there, because it can still break through the top, just like AUD NZD did. See, it can break through and stop you out. So just wait for an alert on AUD CAD, and that will be one to keep your eye on. All right. This one is possibly going to keep going up. Okay. See how it's climbing up the mountain? Once you see it's in a trend, wait for the pullback, wait for the arrow from Simplicity Alert to see an alert saying buy, and just stay in these directions. Buy, stay in that direction. Buy, stay in that direction. For an example, let's see if we could have caught one. See, pull back, just wait for a buy. Because the stronger overall trend is what? Upwards. And look at what's sitting right there. See it? See that little arrow right there? And just stay in that trend. Once you get in, you don't follow it on the 15. You go back to the 4 hour. So it keeps the noise down. Because if you would watch this, I'm going to show you why I say that. So here's where the arrow came in, but then you had a reversal arrow, which would have got you out. You would have still made some nice trades right here, but you would have got out too early. So I get in on the 15, but then I'm going to hop right back to the 4 hour and stay in this trend until I see a different arrow on the 4 hour or whatever price point you want to go to. So that's another way of playing the 415er, going in the same direction as the trend, okay? All right, so anyway, man, this something like this, I don't see no trend. I just keep it moving, okay? So I don't see nothing there, nothing there, nothing there. Some of these are just ugly right now, and this is why trading has been difficult in case it's you. So for an example, let's see this one, all right? So what is the overall trend here? Difficult to kind of identify sometimes, because this one is strange because it's had one of the longest pullbacks that I've seen in a long time. So, but this is a slant pattern, okay? And as you've seen here, when it sat on that dot, it eventually popped. It's sitting on this dot, so it may eventually pop. So what do we do on this one? Look for buys. I'm only looking for longs on this one. We did have that right there, and then it pulled back and then hop right back up. So again, if it gives me a strong pullback and I get another 15-minute arrow, I'll be looking to buy Euro USD. All right, let's keep going. That one is at a reversal point. But again, you know me, I'm skeptical of reversals at the beginning of the week. But again, it looks pretty strong. So Euro Swiss could be another buy. EG, Euro GBP, I don't see nothing there. This one, I think, is going to retest to the bottom, so I would not be a fan of trying to do a buy trade here. I just would not. I would leave it alone. Okay, nothing there as far as buys. Nothing there. This one is skeptical. I know it bounced, but overall, it's sitting on the daily level too of support, so we would have to watch it and keep an eye for a different arrow to see if we get one like it did earlier. Right here. See, that was a smooth one. Look at that. Man, that was massive. So again, it's just a matter of waiting out the markets to see. I do assume that this is going to do a pullback, and if it does do the pullback, then what I'm going to do is then wait for the arrow for a buy, and I'll go from there. You feel me? Okay, let's keep going. That one I don't like anything there. That one I don't really like G Swiss that much. I'm not a big fan of it, but it is at a very low level on the daily. So again, this one does have potential. So we just have to wait and see. Now we did have a 30-minute arrow. So we have the cluster here, which is consolidation. So this thing could continue to pop and go up. It could. It really could. It really could. GU, same thing like USD, Euro USD. Okay. So this one here has been dropping sideways, creating a huge slant pattern. Slant pattern is when the price angles down at a slope. When it does that, it tends to pop real hard eventually. So as you can see right here, it slanted, came down, and popped real hard. See, slanted down, and then popped real hard. So now we got a downward slant. It might pop real hard. And then you got these little mini ones, which they create what's called flag patterns here, and then they pop as well. So these little slant patterns, they tend to pop. They pop, okay? So that's why I'm looking for when is it going to happen. I don't know why it's dragging its feet like that, but I'm only looking for longs on GBP USD. All right, so this one is interesting as well because, again, we clearly see this overall upward trend. So this is another one of those opportunities. And see, look at there. The arrow came out and that thing shot up. Okay, so for me, just have to wait to see if I get a pullback. If so, then we'll go from there. All right. So you guys kind of see what I'm saying. Now this is a double top, kind of like a slanted double top. So on this one, I'm not looking to go long. I think the trend has now reversed. If you give me a pullback and I get a sell arrow on this one, that will be great. But and that's NZD CAD. So I'm expecting a pullback first. But this slanted double top tells me that we might have a drop coming in the future. Okay, but who knows? In the beginning of the week, I told you the market tends to like to trend in the same direction. So since this was in the uptrend, came down and popped. Came down, I'm expecting it to pop. Okay. Same thing with this. I see where it is, but, we'll see how that plays out. I don't see anything interesting on that one. All right, nothing there, and nothing there, my dear. Nothing. All right, so that's that, guys. That's my analysis so far until the market opens up, and then we can see if it has anything additional to offer to us. But that's the ones that I'll keep my eye on this week. And again, when me and my team take our trades this week, you can be copied on them. So just join the copycat group. Super easy copycat. Super E as in echo, Z as in zebra, copycat.com. Or if you want to trade in our futures market, that's Futrix, FUTTRIX.com. All right, guys. Peace.